Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about how to pollinate flowers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Today's video we will learn about the pollination of flowers. In this video we will discuss about the plants who have male and female flowers separate. So first of all, we have to know who are male flowers and which are female flowers. Identifying male flowers is very simple. Just look at stalk or thalamus of the flower. If it is normal, then it is male flower. For example, as you can see, there is no fruit forming behind this flower's stalk, so it is male flower. To identify female flowers, look at its stalk. There will be a small fruit which will become large and edible after the pollination. For example, as in this flower, there is a small stalk forming a fruit behind its stalk. By this simple technique, you can identify male and female flowers for hand pollination. Let's know how to hand pollinate flowers by yourself. Just take a cotton or gentle brush to hand pollinate your flowers. As you can see, I am using cotton to hand pollination. For hand pollination, take a cotton and rub it on the male flower first to collect the pollen grains from the anther of male flower's stalk. Then rub it on the stigma of the female flower so as the stigma of the flower can take the pollen grains to fertilize the ovules. And the hand pollination is completed. Congratulations! Generally, the pollination of flowers is done by bees, insects, ants, and some other rodents too. But in case of lack of bees and pollinators, you can hand pollinate your flowers. This technique comes into use when the temperature exceeds 45 degrees Celsius, as insects cannot survive such hot days and they live in their nest and their homes. The signal of successful hand pollination is that if your fruit tilts upside down in 2 days, then your hand pollination is successful. The non-pollinated flowers always face upside to attract insects for pollination. And an interesting fact about male flowers is that they always comes in clusters. The reason behind that female flowers does not come in clusters is female flowers become fruit after pollination. If all female flowers will become fruit, then it will be too heavy and the weak vine cannot support this heavy weight. So female flowers does not come into clusters, but male flower comes. Another fact that we have to keep in mind during pollination is that we always pollinate our flowers in morning or evening. Pollinating flowers during hot days can damage your flowers and it will not turn into fruit. My 71.6% viewers are not subscribed to my channel. If you watch my videos regularly and like them, why are you not subscribing to them? Subscribe my channel right now. Like and share this video, and again, thanks for watching this video.